this is the heavy box. What it looks like, there's some Chinese words. So as you can tell, this is made in China, but it should still be good even though it was super cheap. We open up this box and we find the printer itself. Before power on, please refer to the instructions on the SD card. Let's see if I was correct. Okay, there it is. Oh, so exciting. And these are the instructions. This side's all Chinese. This side is English. Next comes what you mostly paid for. All of the electronics and your build platform. Sticker. And here you have your limit switch, pulley, belt, build plate. And here's your user interface knob. This one doesn't have a touchscreen like the other model, which was the JG Aurora A5S that I was looking at. Okay, so while I was putting the X-rail together, I noticed that this T-nut is not machined correctly, so it will not actually fit into the X-rail where it's supposed to go. So I will come back later when I have fixed that problem. Okay, I just got done with this bad boy with the Dremel, and it fits. I just took my dad's Dremel, put like a sanding bit on it, and sanded down these little tabs. If you can see them, it's kind of out of focus, but that's what I did, and it worked. So let's put it together. So this printer operates using 4 NEMA 17 stepper motors, which means that they have a 1.7-inch faceplate. There's one for the X-axis, Y-axis, and the Z-axis back here, and it is only driven by 1 lead screw on the Z-axis. That hasn't given me any problems yet, but there are some other printers that have 2 lead screws in order to evenly drive the X-axis bar up and down. So the one thing that I also like about this printer is it has filament out sensor, which is just a limit switch, and it also has power print recovery. So if you lose power during a print, you just plug it back in, hit resume, and it works. Is this printer worth it for the money? I would say it definitely is. If you're looking to get into the hobby of 3D printing and you like tinkering, this printer is probably for you. I do like the way that it has a single base and the power supply and everything is integrated into that, compared to the Ender 3, which has its power supply on the outside. Although this printer does have its downsides, for $200, it's hard to beat.